Alright guys, so this is the makeup look for today. I am wearing Lollipop from Care Cosmetics. The gold I use is MaryKay at Play Gold Metal. And yeah, this is my take on a traditional on an African look, and it was requested, as you know, on my Instagram page. Now all these dots mean something to me. Seriously, 1 2 3 4 5, it means grace, because 5 is the number of grace in what I believe in, you know. Then here I have 5 dots again, which means grace, and here I have 7 dots, which is God's complete number. Here I have 3 dots, 3 dots, 3 dots, 3 dots. Oh god, oh my god, oh no, I was thinking, oh my god, that's 666, but it's not. So the 3 dots means Father, Son, and Holy Ghost. And yeah, that's basically it for this look. The eye, if you want to stop at the eyes are just real nice and simple. There's no black on my eyes whatsoever. Just use everything from the Nubian palette. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope you guys have enjoying this series, this 30 days. I'm either saying 30 days have September or 30 days of September, because how I'm doing this is, you know, the rhyme 30 days of September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 days except something that. So is it a 30 days have September or 30 days of September? I don't know, but I love this look. And yes, I'm going on the road. What for stop, man? Alright you guys, so I'm using Philips Milk of Magnesia as my primer today. I've been using it, I don't know why I ever left Philips Milk of Magnesia. It's just a very cheap alternative to a face primer. And oh no, I'm going in with MaryKay Timewise foundation in bronze 5, and I'm putting this all over my face. I use it today, and it's okay. I have to wear it a couple more times in order for me to do a full review for you guys, but so far so good. And the Philips Milk of Magnesia helped it to stay really nice and matte for the rest of the day. I didn't get oily that much at all. Next, I'm going in with my Beauty Blender to blend out my Black Opal Toast. I've been using this as my highlight for the past couple of months now, and I am in love. I've repurchased this, repurchased it. I am just completely in love with it. Very easy to blend out. And for my low light, you can see that dark color there, as you guys call it, contour. I'm actually using Black Opal again, Walnut, to do my low light. So this is what I'm doing for my foundation. So MaryKay bronze 5, Black Opal Toast, Black Opal Walnut. On my eyes there, I'm putting on Elf's Eyelid primer, and for my baking, I'm using my Sasha Buttercup. Now this palette is just so nice and cute. I'm going in with this color, and I'm putting that in my crease, and I'm using this brush from BH Cosmetics. Boo. Let me just say, baby, I love this brush, honey. Come on now. Come on, but come on, boo. Come on, but come on. Okay, so I'm putting that all over my crease. Crease? Yeah, my crease. And not really going up above, just in my crease. Just in my crease, but because of how fluffy the brush is, it's kind of fanning it out for me. Then I'm going with this nice bright pigmented color, and that's going right on my lid, but not all the way on my lid. I'm leaving some space at the front to put another color on there. Now I'm just imagining what would have happened if I had gotten these colors damp, because these bad boys are pigmented, boo-boo. Good job, Juvia, good job. Then I'm going in with this color right here, and that's going into right there. This is just so weird. I wish I had technical terms like I'm putting it on the occipital bone, and we're just blending it on the marsupial fracture. You know what I mean? Like, I just wish there was like some cool terms, but nope, it's just my eyelids. Then I'm going in with this color, and that's going to go on the nether side of my eye. So I'm putting on 3 colors on my eyes. I haven't done this in a while. I want to do this when I'm doing bold looks, like bright colors, to show, like, you know, the rainbow look and stuff like that. But I decided to do it for this tutorial because I haven't done a 1 2 3 eye look on my eyes in a while. I've just done probably nothing on the lid, and then probably just something alone across the lid. So as you can see, I'm just tapping this on, and by tapping it on, it's going on more pigmented. I'm taking this color here, excuse me, and I'm blending it right in my crease. Now this brush is smaller, and because this brush is smaller, it's getting right in my crease rather than fanning the color all over like what the BH Cosmetics brush did. Yeah, so the BH Cosmetics brush is excellent for going in the crease for transition on colors, and this one is excellent for placing the color. So I'm going with that color again. I'm placing it on the outside. Then I'm taking this dark color and I'm going to place it on the outside again, a little bit above my crease this time, because I want a smooth out effect. I will not be using any black on my lid. I'll be using just from the palette. I won't be using any, you know how I normally go in with a pencil to deepen my crease? I won't be doing it for this look. I'm just using everything straight from the palette for my eyes. Now, if you want to stop here for this eye look, that is fine. You can. You don't have to go over the top like what I am about to do, guys. You can stop right there. Now I'm taking this color and I'm just going to fan that right in this area of my eyes. Reason being, it just looked like it was void of color, and I want to add some color in there, just kind of to tie the whole eye look together, rather than just have that space be just flesh and not eye makeup. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Silk Semi Pencil Liner to line my eyes. I love it. Then I'm going with my e.l.f. eyelid, my e.l.f. liquid liner. Love this. I mean, it's cheap, but boo, it gets the job done, honey.
Yeah. So still safe. What a bonus. Controllers. Yeah, me a son of. Hey. Christian life, it's a the hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place, I know me hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the street, me don't go say nobody can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Father, me shield and me banana can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Everybody who dey on the street and on the corner ready. The Lord himself he born again, although you born already. Satan him a look for me, but tell him say me gone already. Inna me shield of faith and dress up and me got my armor ready. Father God him carry me through the storm already. This is a spiritual warfare.
Next, I'm going in with MaryKay at Play Gold Metal, and this is what I'm going to use to do my tribal markings. Now, as I said in the intro of this video, the 7 dots mean it's God's perfect number, the 5 means grace, and the 3 means Father, Son, and Holy Ghost, and it means something to me. If I'm offending any culture, I'm sorry, that wasn't the intention. It's just a really nice tribal makeup look. I don't want to get in trouble. I don't.
Me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the street, me don't go say nobody can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Father, me shield and me banana can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Everybody who dey on the street and on the corner ready. The Lord himself he born again, although you born already. Satan him a look for me, but tell him say me gone already. Inna me shield of faith and dress up and me got my armor ready. Father God him carry me through the storm already. This is a spiritual warfare. Up on this mission already. Satan and him army them a get this armor ready. Bomb already. It's like say me holding a Osama Medi. Me no care if blue I step I use that in him song already. Man a devil killer devil I forget killer for me show. If him show up on me show and me perform already. This is a Armageddon when them gonna bed and gonna drop the wake up shock. And one of them all I think I done already. Christian life it are the hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Hey yo, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the road, me nah go say nobody can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Lord and me shield and me banana goddess. Oh, me a stay safe like a hard. Hey, Christian life it a the hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh, me a stay safe. Them say a Christian you are not, so you cannot be an Avanat. Watch how me a step on some carnot, cause some of them heart dirtier than Kiamat. Them say them save like a hard disk. Some of them fi cat that go format. Or some harlot show up a heavy show and me perform at. Cause them see me park up in a the car lot. One give me all number fi call back. Say she want come chill out bill and all that. But I and I me living fi Christ, cause him dead for me. And me know say them nail what them run through him format. Now them a show up where I'm at. Man a step up in a life cool warm at. We have Walnut. Jesus make me high like a pilot. All who are exalt themselves, them salt like they married to the guy lot. When me say me I stay safe, me no mean me I save up for buy lot. Me I stay safe like an artist. You know what I mean? Heaven on my place, this earth, and me on this. Me I stay safe like an artist. And when me touching on the street, me not gonna say nobody can this. That's why I say God bless. Regardless. God bless. Praising God. I am wide the we praising God. The man the answer we don't need no God. take praising God. All of the ones of the Lord Jesus Christ. God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky where God is all I need. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. Lord will put it way. I did no pass and him no link and him no check where we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. God will protect me. I did no pass and him no link and him no check way. Lead like a fast car.